How many push-ups do you really need to build muscle? Is it 10, 20, 50, or even 100? In this video, we break down exactly how many push-ups are optimal for muscle growth based on science. Stay with us until the end to learn the one variable that matters even more than reps. Let's start with a basic truth. Push-ups can absolutely help you build muscle, especially in your chest, shoulders, triceps, and even your core. But the number of reps that works best depends on one key factor: your current fitness level. According to a 2017 study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research, training with higher reps and lower resistance, like body weight exercises, can lead to similar muscle growth as traditional weightlifting if the sets are taken close to failure. That means it's not just about how many push-ups you do, it's about how close you get to the point where you physically can't do another rep with good form. So, what does that look like in practice? If you're a beginner, aim for 3 sets of push-ups, doing as many as you can with proper form. That might be 10 to 15 reps per set. Rest for 1 to 2 minutes in between. Focus on consistency and controlled movement. If you're intermediate, meaning you can already do over 20 push-ups without a problem, then do 3 to 4 sets of 15 to 30 reps, or go until you're about 2 reps away from failure. You can also start adding variations like diamond push-ups or slow negatives to increase difficulty. If you're advanced, doing 50 push-ups is probably easy for you. In that case, increase intensity by doing tempo push-ups with slow negatives, elevating your feet, using resistance bands, or trying explosive push-ups like clapping push-ups. In all cases, the science is clear. Muscle growth happens when you challenge your muscles close to their limit, not just by chasing a random number. So, how many push-ups should you do? The answer: as many as it takes to get close to failure. Within 8 to 30 reps per set, depending on your strength level. Do that consistently with good form and progress over time, and you will build muscle. Bonus tip: combine push-ups with enough protein, good sleep, and progressive overload, like adding reps, sets, or tougher variations each week. That's how real gains happen. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, leave a comment with your current push-up max, and subscribe to Muscle Guide for more science-based training content. And remember, it's not about how many reps you do, it's about how hard your muscles have to work.